Hello. So we will be doing a simple project on Arduino, which will be done in Tinkercad. It is a simulator software or a simulator website, you can say. So first, let's create a circuit. Let's take a new circuit. It's taking a bit time. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will have a switch, and based on the switch state, state of the switch, the LED will turn on or off. So for that we will take Arduino Uno. Here it is, place it somewhere like this, and as I said, we will need a LED. Here is the LED, you can see. So we will take a LED. Let's take its color orange. We will need three resistors. Let me copy and paste it over here, and we will have a slide switch. Let me take it and place this right here. Okay. Now, how we are going to implement this? So for that, we will need a resistor, and we will use these two of the resistors as pull down and pull up resistors. What is pull down and pull up? Pull up means that this resistor will this resistor will turn on the LED. It will pull up the signal so that it can be one or high signal, and pull down the vice versa. It will turn down the signal or make it low. So for that, we will place one by one resistors here. I have taken 1 kilo ohm resistors. That's not a problem. And for limiting the current through LED, we will need a resistor. I will connect it to the plus terminal, or also known as anode. Now I have to give power to this switch. For that, I will take one wire from 5 volt and give it here. Let me place it right. Yep. And we will need ground. So for that, I will take a wire from here, and I will do connections like this. Yep. Okay. So for changing the color of the wire, you can go here, and we will be taking the signal from Arduino to turn on the light at the 13th pin. So we will go orange for this wire. I have to turn it around like this so that the wire doesn't look very much messy. Okay. And the input of the switch will go to 8th pin. Okay. So for that, I will take yellow color, 8th pin, digital pin 8. Okay, let's put it right there. The LED looks kind of messy, so I will move around the LED little bit, and will rotate it. I am rotating it by what I say, typing R. I will delete this wire. I will rotate it also. I am doing it by pressing R. By pressing R, it will rotate clockwise. Now let's change the color first. Okay, it's orange now. Now let me connect this like that. It's okay. And we will need a ground for the LED. So for that, here is also a ground, or you can use from there also. It's up to your choice. So let me take the ground. Okay, I think the connection is ready. So let me copy the code first, and I will put the code here. So for coding the Arduino, I have to press this, and you can see here all the you can code it by blocks, but I don't want to code it by blocks, so I will choose text and I will here press continue. Okay, this is a normal blink code. I don't need this, so I will delete it and paste the code that I have written. It's a very simple code. Here you can see these are the pin definitions. So I have taken a switch pin and a LED pin, switch pin at the 8, which you can see here, and LED pin at pin 13, which is this. Let me show you this. Okay, so let's come to the setup. So in for setting up the project, we will be using this switch pin as input. What is written here, pin mode switch pin comma input, and we'll be using this pin as the output to turn on the LED or turn off the LED. So this is the LED pin and output. We have written here output, so that the mode of the pin will be output. And we have used serial communication for debugging. So we will be using serial library, which can be initialized by serial.begin, and here is the baud rate. We will need this. And let's come to the loop function. First we will read the state of the switch, which will be high or low. So here is the boolean, it is a boolean variable. So boolean variable has two states only, high or low, or you can say true or false, both are the same. So for we have said boolean, and switch state, the variable name is switch state, and we will be reading this from the switch pin, which will be digital read, not analog read, because we are reading it digitally. So what will happen, the value of the switch, the state of the switch will be read from this pin D8 and will be saved here in the switch state variable. Then in the serial print, we will print the value. What will we print? That switch state. What will be the switch state? And after that we have a simple if else condition. So for if, like, we need to implement the logic here. Sorry, if the switch is on, so the LED will be turned on. If the switch is low, so the LED will be turned off. So that is here. If the switch state is high, the LED will turn on, which we will do by digital write. So we will be writing the LED pin high, or otherwise we will be writing the LED pin low. And I have used a small delay for avoiding this avoid spamming of the serial monitor, but I can comment it out. Not that much will happen, but it will be much faster. So let's start the simulation and see it's working or not. Okay, yep, the simulation has started. I don't need the debugger. So in the serial monitor, we can see that the switch state is 0. If I turn on the switch, the LED also turn on, and the switch state also changes to 1. And if we turn off the switch again, the switch state goes to 0 and the LED also turns off. So this was the simple project. Thank you for watching. Try to implement this on your own. Thank you.